Hi everyone. So today we are going to make a crochet shawl, a winter shawl. Yeah, for that I have taken a for 3.5 mm yarn. Both of this I have already used little bit, so I don't have the sticker, but I will just tell you the wrapper of this yarn. This is a brand Naco yarn and it's a 4 mm yarn, 3.5 to 4 mm crochet hook yarn. And this is a cotton yarn. You can see it's a cotton yarn and it's a 2.5 mm to 3 mm crochet hook yarn. It's a super soft and anti-pilling yarn. I think it was Red Heart, I'm not sure, because somehow I missed the wrapper. And it's a very easy, super easy crochet shawl. And I have already made the shawl. I will show you. So I will just show the demo of how to make this shawl, because this is a very simple double crochet shawl and it does not need any any change in the pattern and all. So that's why, since the shawl is a long one, I won't be able to show how I am crocheting the shawl in the video because it's long, right? So I thought I will show a small piece and you can work out the length as per your requirement. Yeah. Meantime, I was just removing my nail polish, and when I was removing, I thought I will show this product. This I bought from India. This is a dip and twist. You can see dip and twist nail paint remover. I think it's an Indian product. I bought it for a very cheap price. I think it was 65 dirhams, sorry, 65 rupees when I went for vacation in India. I'm sure a lot of the viewers will be wondering why I was not uploading the videos, especially the crochet videos, because I was on vacation. In the meantime, I did some garlands, flower garlands, just to keep up the channel. So I will just show the nail polish remover fast. So it has a sponge inside and it has the nail polish remover in the sponge. So what you do is you take your nail and dip it inside and then twist like this. Yeah, see, it's gone. Especially for moms, I think teenage young generation, they will have enough time to remove the nail polish the traditional way. See, very fast. And this is one product which I got from India and I am very happy, because it takes a lot of time to remove the nail polish, right? See, it's all gone. And once this liquid is over, you can pour your nail polish remover into this and you can reuse this. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so let's see how to do this. We will take a tip of the crochet yarn and we will make a loop like this, and then you insert the crochet. Okay, I forgot to show the crochet hook. This is my most favorite 3 mm crochet hook, and this is a long crochet hook. You can see it's just like a knitting needle, and it's a 3.5 mm. I hope it's clear. Yeah, 3.5 mm crochet hook. Yeah, this is a new one which I got as a free gift when I bought yarn as a yarn box. Yeah. Now you will chain the starting foundation chain. So right now I am going to show for a 10 chain. So chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe I will do 15 because 10 is very small. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, or 20. I think 20 is better. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah. Because this is a 2.5 mm to 3 mm crochet hook yarn, that's why it's very small. Okay, now what we do is yarn over, go to the second, so yarn over, and then this is the first and this is the second chain. So we go to the second chain and do a double crochet. So it will be difficult if you are taking a 2.5 mm crochet yarn. So double crochet you already know, I hope everyone knows. I am just showing you. You yarn over, you have 3 loops on the crochet hook, you go through the first 2, first one is done, first 2, and then yarn over and do the next 2. So yarn over, go to the next chain which is here, and pull the yarn, yarn over, go through the first 2, yarn over, go through the next 2. Shall I keep like this? Yarn over, you go to the next chain which is here, go inside. As I told, it will be difficult. Yeah. Then yarn over and go through the first 2 chains. So one chain is over, next chain, yarn over and go through the next 2 chains. This difficulty you will feel only during the foundation chain. Yeah. So let me finish the foundation chain. Okay, so I have finished the double crochet on top of the foundation chain, and you can see, so beautiful. See? Yeah. Now what we do is, now from this row onwards till the width of the row of your shawl, you do the same stitch. There is no difference, all rows are the same, and you will do the width, you will sorry, not the width, the length. So this side should be the length of the shawl. So you need to do the foundation chain as long as you want the shawl. So how long you want the shawl, you measure the shawl, measure the length and do the foundation chain till that length, and then you do the double crochet stitches all the way from the starting foundation chain till the end of the foundation chain. And for the next row, for going to the next row, what you do is you chain 3, so chain 1 2 3 and yarn over, go to the, not to the chain where you started the chain 3, you go to the previous chain and then do 1 double crochet, and again yarn over, go to the next previous chain and do 1 double crochet. Same way you do till here, and then you go back again and do the next row. So the rows will be the length of the shawl. Okay, so I just finished the second row also. So as I told, the length of the row is the length of the shawl, and the width, that is the total number of rows, that will be the width, that will be the width of your shawl. So this one I already finished 2 rows, and same way once you reach the end you do chain 3 like this, yarn over, go to the, not this chain where you started the chain 3, you go to the previous chain and do 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet each. Yeah. Okay, so I have done 5 rows just to show you all how to do this one. Okay, this is the shawl which I have made. So as I told, it's long, I can't show it completely. So this is how it will be, these are the rows, and I have done 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 green rows, and the border this yarn. So total 15 rows. So as I told, the length of the rows are the length of the shawl, and the total number of rows is the width of the shawl. So I am just going to show this swatch of 5 rows, and you can decide whether you want 10 rows or 15 rows. You can decide, yeah, because there is no point, I can't show the full shawl. As it is a shawl, it's long, I'm not able to. Now for the border I am going to use this color. As I told, I think it's red heart, I am not sure, not red heart, this is Nacco, sorry, this green one was red heart cotton, I think so, not sure. So made a loop and tighten the yarn, and here where we finished this, we will go inside that, see, like this, so that both yarns will be secured enough, and then you yarn over, and then go to the seam, pull the yarn, same chain, pull the yarn, and do 1 double crochet. I am sure it will be a little bit tight, that's fine. Now you yarn over, and this yarn I need to cut, so I am leaving it, and this yarn should go inside, so I am holding it, and go to the next chain, so which is this chain, there is a second chain, go inside and do 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to the next chain. There is no change in the pattern, it's the same, but when we are changing the color it will come nice. So till the end of the row we will do the same double crochet. So let me finish till the end of the row. Okay, so the end of the row is reached, you can see. Now what you do is you go, because you need to go this side, so what you need to do is you go inside, pull the yarn and do a slip stitch like this, then you yarn over, inside the same chain you do 1 double crochet and another double crochet. Same way here also, go inside and do 2 double crochet, because one chain is having one double crochet is having 2 chains, right? So you go inside and do 2 double crochets. Yeah. So these chains will have a hole like this, that's where you need to go. See, in between 2 double crochet chains there will be a hole like this, you go inside and do 2 double crochet, and here also the same 2 double crochet. So you reach the corner, to go this side what you do, this is the length side, so you yarn over and go to the chain inside and do 1 double crochet. Now here each chain will be having, because this is the length side, each chain will be having only 1 hole like this. See my nail, so there you need to do 1 double crochet each, yeah, like this. So let me finish. So only the breadth side you need to do 2 double crochets in this hole, yeah. Length side you will do 1 double crochet in each chain. Okay, Okay, so I have reached the next corner and we are going to the width side. So yarn over and go inside and do one double crochet. Yarn over in the same, you will do one double crochet. Yarn over and go to the next hole. You can see the hole. So in between this hole, here there is one double crochet, here there is one double crochet. So you go inside the hole and do 2 double crochets. Again in the next one, 2 double crochets. And in the last one, no, the second last one. Yeah, the last one, 2 double crochets, and you go inside the, you can see here, inside the third chain, the starting chain, out of the starting chain, third chain, and do a slip stitch. So it will be like this. See? So your shawl will be like this. So this is the swatch which I made. Okay, so one quick tip: if you want a straight edge, you can use the same 3mm hook for the border. But if you want a little bit wavy edge, then you need to use this 3.5mm crochet hook. So in my shawl I have used 3.5mm. So you can see the edge will be little bit wavy. It's a unisex shawl. Still I thought I will wear it and show. Yeah. Okay, so this is the shawl. You can see it's long, and if I fold it, yeah, it's this long. So that's why I thought I won't be able to show it as a video. So right now, to wear the shawl, as I told, this is a unisex shawl, so you can wear it like this. Yeah, it looks nice. Yes, you can wear it like this. It's still long. You can see. You can adjust the curls like this. You can wear, or you can wear like this, whichever way. That's why I made a long shawl, so you can wear whichever way you want. See, it's nice and beautiful. So please do give it a try. As I told, it's a very easy shawl. You don't need to know any other stitches other than foundation, chain and double crochet. Okay, I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.